The School of Visions belongs to the Nyabinghi house, which is the oldest house in the Rastafari religion. We've come to join them for their Passover celebration, which includes a 4-day Nyabinghi ceremony, which entails drumming, chanting, dancing and meditation. So yeah, we're really looking forward to it. The Nyabinghi follow a strict Ital Vegan diet, and apparently the food's amazing, so really looking forward to it. Yeah, so just woke up, another amazing morning up in the Blue Mountains, just deciding what to do today. Another amazing breakfast by the family. So we got fried dumplings, that's needed with chocho. We got fried and baked plantain and mixed veg. Got soursop juice right here, natural soursop, and then right across the way it's an actual soursop tree. So yesterday they had the new moon celebration inside the temple, which is like a lot of dancing, a lot of drumming, all the kids, so all the seniors just praying, dancing, drumming. Let's go on a quick tour. Those amazing flowers. It's the soursop tree I mentioned before. Outdoor kitchen where we make soup. Thing is, because up in the mountains, the temperature and the climate changes all the time. So one minute you could be in shorts and a vest, and then the next minute you need a jacket and trousers. But either way, it's amazing. An incredible view, amazing view. it's the entrance where you come in. With another amazing view in the background. And this is the temple where the prayer and the dancing happens. This is the main courtyard. Rasta colours. It's so beautiful.
You live back in China?
No, sir.
Don't want to live back in
And we're not even at the top. Goes up and up. Did they have names?
No.
They don't have any names. Kittens.
Them not have name. Them.
Rastagams. The School of Visions has a strict dress code for their Nyabinghi celebrations, with different rules for men and women. But no worries if you come unprepared, they have an amazing little shop where you can buy or borrow some clothes for the ceremony. Day number 4 at School of Vision, and Empress Tashay has just bought another incredible breakfast.
What is it? He knows your name.
Yes.
Oh, you learned his name quick too.
Saltfish and ackee, plantain and saltfish fritters. And that's our last day today, so I asked for a big portion. And then we got some Blue Mountain coffee as well. And yesterday was the final night of Passover. So they had 3 celebrations. They had the opening ceremony, new moon, and then the final night of Passover, which was yesterday. So it was more in the temple, drumming, and it was incredible. The kids dancing in there, they had the prayer. It's like a real magical experience that everyone has to try out. His foundation is in the holy mountains. Protection. That's it. That's it. Protection. Take care. Thank you. Don't know, we have to do a claw. Ah, the bar. Lion bar.